Today we're going to talk about power. Okay, so this is the Newmowa 3-channel charger right here, as it says on the box. It is officially called a 3-channel charger for camcorder battery. Now it's supposed to be a rapid charger as indicated on Amazon's website, and it does say Newmowa Rapid 3 right here, but nowhere else on the official packaging is it actually indicated that it's a rapid charger. However, you could say it's fairly rapid. I mean, on the back here, it tells you how much power you're going to get. If it's one battery that you're charging, you get 1.7 amps. If it's two batteries, you're getting 0.85 amps per battery. And if it's three batteries, you're getting 0.55 amps per battery. And the reason I went looking for these was my old charger here only charged one battery at a time, and I've been enlisted to shoot a movie at the end of October. Well, actually, I was enlisted to shoot a movie at the end of October. That has since changed. I'm now the gaffer. What's the difference between this charger and others? Can charge 3 batteries at the same time. Others only charge 1 battery. And so that's when I found this Newmowa charger right here, which I really liked because it charges 3 at a time. And most battery chargers only charge 1 at a time, like this charger here that is very common. Plugs into the wall right there, charge 1 battery to prevent it from fire or moisture, to reduce the risk of electronic shock. Both of these are only 1 at a time, or 2 total. And I wanted to be able to charge all my batteries at once. This is made out of kind of a decent plastic. It doesn't feel super sturdy or super flimsy. I like the fact that the battery posts here do not spring downward, but they're fixed in place. I like that since the other ones I've bent out of shape. Here we have where your power supply goes in right there. Plug into the wall, and also you can charge this with a USB-C connection. I don't have a USB-C connection to test that with or see if it makes any difference, but it is a nice option depending on what you have, and it makes it modern. Can I charge the battery by DC and Type-C together? No, you can not. It's dangerous. So I bought a couple of these. Again, I only found one model that allowed you to charge 3 at a time. I did find one later that charges 4 at a time, but these were only $18, which I thought wasn't too bad, so I bought 2 of them. And if you notice when you plug them in here, you get sort of a power-up signal. It goes from red to blue to green, which is also indicative of how the charging works, because when you plug batteries in, again, these are for the Sony NP-F series of batteries. Flashing red is the lowest, and then it goes to flashing blue. So as you can see, this one's flashing green, which means it's closer to being charged. This one's about halfway charged, and this one is just beginning to charge. And if you look at the little key here, they actually give you a little key saying 0 to 33% is flashing red, 33 to 66% it flashes blue, 69 to 99% it flashes green, and 100% it stays green. Do not wet the unit or place it in a hot place. Do not throw, hit, or disassemble the charger. Do not damage the power cord or power plug or place heavy things, pinching it. So I kind of like this whole compact shape right here. It doesn't take up much room at all. It'll charge any size of the battery, and it also has a pretty small footprint. It actually goes up instead of out. Do not disassemble unit. Dry location use only. Location. Don't throw it away. Now, notice the lights here. I mean, this is very simple information. You don't know exactly what percentage your battery is at, unlike this charger, which you can see right here. Even though it's not plugged in, it still tells you what the percentage is holding, and also the voltage. So you get way more information on a charger like this or another charger, perhaps. But these are just blinky lights. Do not use if the power cord is damaged. Otherwise, may cause damage or fire or electric shock. When charging by Type-C, please use below 5-volt adapter. How would that happen? Aren't all the adapters 5 volts? And that's the Newmowa 3-channel charger. Is it the best battery charger ever? No. Is it a good battery charger that I'd recommend? Sure. It's not a bad price. It does what it's supposed to do. And hey, charge 3 batteries at once. Not too bad. Remember, all pertinent links are in the description below, including some ways you can help out the channel if you'd like to in various ways, besides just watching. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time, whenever that might be.